Very much following along the lines of what Pocketbook did with the Touch HD 3 Special Edition, this is the Poke 3 Special Edition. It features some color changes, a new box, and an overall updated packaging and experience. It is not going to be a world night and day different device from the Poke 3, it's simply just employing a lot of the color scheme changes they had when they created the Nova Air. So this box is a landscape biased box that kind of looks like a book. You'll see that it has a bind on one side and an open area on this side with a magnet snap. So as you open it up like this, you get the same design at the front as it is on the inside, but it is nice because it is finished. They didn't just leave it there. It actually is a finished interior. So this is really cool. Now obviously that's the unit itself. We're not going to touch that right now. We are going to open up the rest of the box here first. It's fairly vacuum packed because of the air. So likely this is going to be the USB cable, and probably USB cable only. Yes, indeed it is, and the USB cable itself is white, so that's very nice, because stock, it's black. Now this is going to be the case and the unit itself, so we're going to open this up. Oh, and it is already in the case. Okay, well let's put this off to the side and check the rest. So under here you're going to have your user guide and your warranty information. This sticker is going to be the exact same sticker on the outside of the box, so hold on to that and make sure you don't lose it. Now for the unit itself, right here. This is bound to slide off like so. We like to keep these units as clean as possible for when we do giveaways and such, so we don't like to rip anything off. So the outside case is a kind of rubber, but it is a silicone feel around the edge, but it's not very flexible where the actual card is. Not sure what the material is made up on the inside. And this is a very nice jutted out raised logo of the half snowflake there, and like a tablet, unlike any tablet, their kind of slogan, and the special edition down at the bottom there as well. So this is a very nice looking case, and it already has a different feel to it, both physically and metaphorically. You do have a magnet snap right there, and you have an interior which is a nice kind of frost felt. So we're going to take it out of the case just for a second because, well, you don't have to use it with the case, and it doesn't have a battery case or anything like that, or little copper contact pins. This is just a regular silicone case. The back is a very nice white, it's kind of an Arctic, and the front they're going with the two-tone kind of bezel here, and they are going with a Nova Air approach. And very interestingly, it doesn't say Boox on the bottom here, it actually only says it on the back. So this is one of the few devices where it actually doesn't say Boox or Onyx on the front. For now, this is everything that comes in the box with the brand new Onyx Boox Poke 3 Special Edition with a built-in case. Comes in the box, you don't have to buy separately, although the color scheme is a little bit different. It's pretty much the exact same thing as the Poke 3 was and currently is. If you guys have any other questions, comments, or concerns, let us know. And for now, this is an unboxing, but stay tuned for the review. For GoodyReader.com, this is Peter.